This is an unboxing of a Barlow or TeleXtender, which has a strange 5x value, 5 times value. So it may not work with my stuff, but if I use the lowest magnification that I have, it may work actually. Lowest of the and widest angle of the eyepieces, it may work well with them. Let us see what is inside. Okay, I have now opened the packaging. Oh, that's the original box of it. TeleXtender 5 times Meade. So it must be good because Meade doesn't make rubbish things. So let us hope that is the right thing. Let me open it. Okay, looks promising. Original box. Let us read. Meade Series 5000 1M 1.25 TeleXtender 5X. So let's see, what is this? It's a little booklet explaining the Series 5000 eyepieces. There's a polyurethane foam here, well packed, and oh, that's a proper eyepiece. Look at it, it's heavy. There's a good cap. Feels quite heavy metal. That's metal, and I can see that. Feels quite enlarging. Very narrow field of view. So this is good for splitting the binaries. I see a little reflection inside, by the way. And splitting binaries like a hammer. Celestial hammer. If you see one star, then you put this one, you may see 2 stars, 3 stars. It splits the binary stars to make them visible. All planetary work. It feels really nice, metal with a good grip, good screw for holding the thing. So Meade 5 times TeleXtender. TeleXtender is another word for calling a Barlow lens, and they thought probably Barlow is not a very posh name, it's very common, and that makes it a little bit more interesting. I must say I'm impressed by the quality of the metal and the weight of it. Nice to know that it has a good stopper also here, if you can see. Nice stopper here. That makes the central point most valuable. The edge of it is like a this gravitational lensing effects. So, impressive is by Meade. So, he may work with very wide angle eyepieces, change them to something suitable for high power ones. But for a high power lens eyepiece, this is too much. 5x is too much. 5 times is too much. Anyway, thank you. It's not just one lens. Normally Barlows have 1 lens or 2 lenses. I can see it has at least 4 or 5 lenses inside it. It's almost like an eyepiece. Oh, I'm really curious now to try it. Also, the final point that I want to make here is that it has a copper ring inside. So practically you will not scratch your eyepiece. You can see there. Yeah, I've turned on the flash, you can see that. There is a copper ring inside. With this you actually tighten it up. So it will not affect your, it will not scratch your valuable lens. That's impressive, I like that. And you can see the multi-element lenses here. Impressive eyepiece.
I have used the Meade 5 times TeleXtender. It's a Barlow lens, and the image quality is superb. I usually don't like Barlows. They make the image very soft. This is a very low magnification eyepiece, 40 times only. Probably one of my best eyepieces, most used one definitely. So Ostara, and you can buy it under other names also, 40 millimeter. But when you Barlowed it with this 5 times TeleXtender from Meade, image is beautiful, beautiful. Never seen such a Barlow like that. The quality of the image is amazing. The image is beautiful, beautiful with this Barlow. I think this is the best setup I can have. The only thing is that probably I should put it on the tripod and guide it and do astrophotography the expensive way. But that's the moment out of question because I've just a windowsill.